Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone! Today we are going to talk about Vitacillin. Are you familiar with it? Do you know what it's for and how to use it? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to explain everything to you. To begin with, what is Vitacillin? It is an ointment that combines antibiotics and healing properties, which makes it super popular. Its main mission is to help you treat and prevent skin infections. And when is it used? It's perfect for small wounds, minor burns, or scrapes. It's also great for cases of dermatitis or insect bites. If you cut yourself a little while cooking or scratch a bite a lot, Vitacillin can be your best friend. Are you wondering how it works? Vitacillin has bacitracin and neomycin, two antibiotics that are responsible for eliminating the bacteria that cause infections. In addition, its formula helps to keep the skin hydrated and to heal better. Let's talk about how to use it. It's super easy. First, clean the affected area well, and then apply a thin layer of Vitacillin. You can do this 1 to 3 times a day as needed. And remember, wash your hands well before and after using it. Although it is not very common, some people may have an allergic reaction to Vitacillin. If you notice that your skin turns red, itches, or becomes inflamed, stop using it and consult your doctor. And if you have a deep wound or an animal bite, don't use it without first talking to your doctor. Finally, it is important that you always follow your doctor's instructions and do not self-medicate. Vitacillin is a useful tool, but using it correctly is essential. Take care of your skin and your health. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.